Boy, that's a big box. And if you're wondering, here it is next to the entry grade ARC-72, and it's from HobbyLink Japan. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. First thing we got. Oh, this box is smaller. From the Shenix Technologies, we have the, I'm not entirely sure, but it's the White Tiger, which will go along with the dragons. So that's pretty cool. Then we got, ooh, the Zendrong. I don't know much about this kit. All I know is it looks pretty cool, so that's why I bought it. It's got 4 legs, centaur-like. And I'll be reviewing that later also. Then we also got we got the Blue Redler. That's gonna be a fun build. And also we have the Red Redler. Looks pretty good as well. Then we got the Blue Eyes White Dragon. And we got 2 booster cannon sets for the Redlers. And lastly, we got a Takara Tomy Xenorex X Scissor XA whatever thing. It just looks cool, so I bought it. And that's it for the video. I just wanted to show you what I recently got. Just added a lot more kits to my backlog and a lot more kits to review. Got a lot of work to do, so stay tuned.